Welcome to this Toolbox talk on color coding in cleaning. Thank you for taking the time to join. Today we'll talk about a simple system that helps keep our cleaning areas safe, professional, and hygienic. By the end of this short session, you'll understand what color coding means, why it's important, and how to follow it every day at work. Remember, using the correct color equipment in the right area helps prevent bacteria from spreading and keeps everyone safe. It also shows our clients that we care about doing the job properly. Let's get started by looking at why color coding is so important in our daily cleaning routines. The main reason for color coding is to reduce the effects from cross-contamination. If a mop from a washroom is used in an office, bacteria can spread fast. This can lead to illness, complaints, and lost trust. Using the right color for the right place helps keep everyone safe and healthy. It also shows clients that we take hygiene seriously. When we all follow the same system, it becomes part of our culture. We do the right thing every time. Remember, color coding is a daily habit. It is not just for audits or inspections. If you notice a mistake, speak up and correct it straight away. Small actions, done well, prevent big problems later. Each color represents a place or a risk level. For example, many sites use red for toilets and washrooms. That means red cloths, red mops, and a red bucket are used only there. The rule is simple. Equipment and areas must match. Do not move a cloth, mop, or bucket from one color zone to another. If a bucket or cloth has no clear color, label it or replace it. Keep color-coded equipment stored separately, so they do not get mixed up, therefore contributing to cross-contamination. When in doubt, check the site's chart. If your site uses different colors, follow those local rules. Consistency keeps people safe and reduces rework. Color coding supports infection control. It works alongside health and safety duties and COSHH rules for safe chemical use. On its own, color coding is not a legal requirement, but it is recognized as good practice across the industry. If we ignore it, we raise the risk of contamination and incidents. Poor practice can result in complaints, failed audits, or disciplinary action. Legal issues may arise if someone falls ill due to non-compliance with standards. The safest approach is simple. Follow your training, use the correct color in each area, and store equipment properly. If you see a gap in the system, such as missing labels or mixed equipment, report it so it can be fixed quickly. Most sites use 5 main color zones to separate tasks and risks. Each zone links to a set of equipment, cloths, mop heads, and buckets, which stay in that area only. The exact color-to-area map can change between organizations, and there are special rules in healthcare or food preparation. That is why the local color chart is so important. Learn it during induction and check it before you start work in a new area. If you move between other sites, remember that the colors may change from site to site. Never assume. If your equipment color is faded or unclear, replace or relabel it. Keeping the zones clear makes cleaning faster, safer, and easier to audit. Consistency is what makes color coding work. Everyone on the team needs to follow the same chart and the same rules every day. Different clients may have different color choices, so always check the approved system for that contract. Ensure a color code chart is displayed in cleaning cabinets, cupboards, and staff rooms. Add clear labels to shelves, equipment hooks, and chemical stations. During handovers, remind new staff which colors apply where. When equipment wear out, replace them with the correct color, not whatever is available. These small steps prevent mix-ups and save time later. A consistent system also makes audits quick, because everything is easy to see and understand. You may see chemicals with colored labels that seem to match area colors. This can help, but it is not the only rule. Always read the product label and follow the instructions and safety data. Do not assume 2 products can be mixed just because they share a color. Mixing chemicals is dangerous and can create harmful gases. Check dilution, contact time, and PPE. Make sure the chemical is approved for the surface and the area you are cleaning. If your site uses dosing stations, keep them labeled by color zone to reduce mistakes. When a label is missing or hard to read, stop and get a new one before use. Color coding starts on day 1. During induction, show new staff the site chart, the storage layout, and equipment. Give examples of right and wrong practice. Supervisors should watch for mistakes during shifts and correct them quickly and kindly. Short toolbox talks keep the message fresh. Regular audits help find gaps like missing labels, mixed equipment, so they can put right. If an area changes use, update the chart and tell the team. Good training and supervision make color coding a habit, not a headache. Let's recap the essentials. Use the correct color for each area, every time. Keep equipment clean, dry, and stored in the right place with clear labels. Never take a cloth or mop from one zone into another. If you find equipment in the wrong place, remove it and report the issue. Replace worn or faded equipment so colors stay clear. If something is missing, damaged, or confusing, tell your supervisor. These simple actions prevent cross-contamination and protect everyone on site. When we all follow the system, cleaning is safer, faster, and more professional. I hope this toolbox talk on color coding in cleaning has helped you understand why this system is so important for maintaining a clean and safe workplace. Always remember to clean safely, clean smartly, and avoid cross-contamination. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more training sessions. Your feedback helps us develop training that supports you in your daily work. Thank you again for your time and dedication to professional cleaning standards. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next session. It is important to recognize that every workplace includes people with different abilities, experiences, and needs. Some colleagues may have disabilities or health conditions that affect how they carry out certain tasks. These may include mobility challenges, reduced vision or hearing, learning differences, or long-term medical conditions. Health and safety apply to everyone, and inclusion is an essential part of working safely. Employers have a duty under the Equality Act to make reasonable adjustments so that all employees can work safely and effectively. This might include accessible training materials, clearer labels, adjustable equipment, or additional support where needed. If you have a disability or health condition that could affect your work, you should always inform your supervisor manager. This allows the correct support and adjustments to be provided. A safe workplace is an inclusive workplace. When we respect and support one another, we create a safer, more professional, and more positive working environment for everyone.